Hello guys, this is Boy Ipon again and welcome back to our channel, and today I'm just going to give you a quick update. Now it's day 75 of our Uno Digital Bank savings for this year. So we started January and today it's March 21. Um, Ayun po, nakaipon na po tayo ng 10,480.16, no? Hindi na po natin kailangan si Peter Allen para sa 10K kasi nakaipon na po tayo ng sarili nating 10K. So yung interest applied, ito po binibigyan na po tayo ng around 1.13 pesos interest daily, ano. Pero syempre tinatax pa yan nila. So around ang nakukuha nating neto is around 0.90 pesos, no, per day. So yeah, medyo may kababaan pero patuloy na nag-i-increase, ano, every day po. Ayan, just to give you a quick um, view of how much we are putting in. We are putting in 175, tomorrow 176, tomorrow again 177, and the day after that is 178. So ganun lang po yung ginagawa natin para makaipon tayo ng malaking amount, no? So nag-start tayo sa 100 pesos and right now we are around 10,000 na po. So palaki ng palaki po yung interest na binibigay, ano. Although hindi pa po natin yan masyadong mararamdaman, pero as the time goes by, no, as we continue these savings throughout the year, makikita nyo po ang diferensya, no, yung binibigay na interest versus dun sa na-accumulate na nating amount. So ito lang po si Boy Ipon again, and just to give you a quick update, and don't forget to subscribe or like this post. Maraming salamat po and see you on my next video. Salamat po. Have a nice day.